Please, can you hear my voice? I'm right here. I'm waiting. I've been waiting for someone to listen. Please, lend me your eyes and ears. Look at me and think about what I have to say. I'm begging you, please. For just a few minutes, please. Listen to what I have to say. A letter from me to you, sincerely.
Dear Chris, I hope this letter finds you in good health and spirits. I miss you terribly every day and night. You are always in my thoughts and dreams. I know you chose to go to the mines for our future, and I admire your courage and sacrifice. Lately, I heard that the water in the river near you has been contaminated with toxic waste. I hope that you are aware of the situation and I'm worried about you. Please take care of yourself, my love. Don't work too hard or too long. Remember to eat well and rest well. And don't forget that I love you both more than anything in this world. I'm counting the days until we can be together again. Also, someone wants to greet you and say hi. We are waiting for you. You're devoted.
My dear son, I know this is very hard for you to understand, and I don't blame you for being angry or sad. You deserve better than this. You deserve a life of happiness, a clean environment and nature, a beautiful future ahead, but it is something we must pay for all of the conveniences that we had in the past. We took everything for granted. We were living the dream of abundance, since we are able to utilize the gifts of nature by conquering it with technology. The rivers, lakes, and seas were blue, but now all we can see is a desert and the Black Sea. The moment the rain became black as oil, the clouds are now as gray with nothing but flood. There is nothing I can say than ask for forgiveness for making you see the world as it is today. I have stolen your future.
You're watching, are you? Don't ever feel your very ego just by saying you're sorry for all the things that you have done. Do something. You who have been shared with a picture of the future. You may think that you are powerless or that our actions do not matter, but that is not true. Every choice you make has an impact. Every action you take can make a difference. You can start by reducing your carbon footprint, using renewable energy sources, recycling and reusing materials, supporting environmental causes and organizations, and spreading awareness and education among your family and friends. You are not alone in this fight. There are many people and groups who are working hard to protect and restore our world, but they need your help and support. Together, we can create a more sustainable and harmonious world for ourselves and the future generation. Please do not ignore this letter. Do not give up hope. Please